How to get the Spotify receipt. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can get the Spotify receipt, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now it depends upon what kind of receipt that you are talking about. If you're talking about a receipt for your top albums, top tracks and top music on Spotify that you want to download them, or whether you're talking about a receipt that you want to get for the payments you've made on Spotify, I will show you both of these processes. So to get started with the first one, you want to simply open up your browser, go to this website known as receiptify.herokuapp.com. I'll also make sure to drop a direct link down below. And this is if you want to find all of your top artists receipt. And once you're here, you want to simply make sure to tap the login with Spotify option and make sure to sign into your account. Now you want to simply choose the type of receipt that you want, whether you want the receipt for top tracks or maybe top artists, top genres, stats or search albums. And you can also choose last month, last 6 months or all time or whatever else. Then you'll be able to find all the receipts right over here. Then you can simply tap the download image option in order to download this receipt. And this is if you were talking about the receipt for your top albums and top tracks on Spotify. Now the other type of receipt you could be talking about could be if you're talking about your payment receipt, and to get that payment receipt you have to simply open up your new tab, go to spotify.com and sign into your account again. Then you want to make sure you tap the gear icon from the top right hand side of the screen. Then you want to simply go to view account option. And as you go to the view account option over here, by default you're going to be under account overview. You want to make sure to tap on it, and then here you'll find receipts option. Make sure to tap the receipt button over here, and then you'll be able to see all of the receipts of the payments that you've ever made on Spotify. This way you can get the Spotify receipt depending upon what kind of receipt that you were talking about. Hope this video is very helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.